Okay, this part is about and types that we have used to create those shape. Okay, those design. The tips you must understand is scale tool. You have used scale tool to create this design. Okay, so sometimes when you have a shape, a rectangle, you want to move the anchor point, and you can do it with direct selection tool. If you do one click, you can hold your click and move it like that. Okay, but if you select hold shift to select two anchor point or select them with a bounding box, you can't create the design that's here. Okay, for that you must use scale tool. If you do one click on your scale tool, you can drag to create the design. Okay, you can do the same for any point. Okay, if you hide S, you can activate your scale tool and use it easily. Okay, this is the first type we have used here, and for the second design we have used a budget tool, a shape budget tool. If you have a design here like that, and we have a shape here, and you want to duplicate it, you can easily use reflect tool. By default you have rotate tool. If you hold your click, you can select reflect tool and find, first you select your shape, you click on your reflect tool, you'll notice that you have a dot in the center. You must find where you want to duplicate it. You hold option or alt and one click, and you select vertical and click on copy to duplicate it quickly. Okay, after that you can select all and use your shape bezier tool. You must alt underneath your mouse. You have a plus icon. If you hold option or alt, you get a minus icon. You can do one click there, one click to delete there. After that you have selected and go to shape and go to transparency to decrease the opacity like that. Okay, this is the type we have used to create this shape. Okay, for the last we have used quickly pass a shape in the background. Let me create a design here, and let me create another rectangle or a circle in the center. Go to the center and let me create a circle, and you want to create a hole. If you change color there for maybe this color, if you select those two shapes, you can go to pathfinder, equator and hole. Okay, you can see your background. Okay, after that you have create a circle. Maybe let me create a orange circle, and if you want to duplicate it, you want to put one in the back of your shape. If you do so, command C to copy it, you want to paste it in back of the shape. So you select your shape first and you hide command B. And you notice that you have your shape and in the back of your shape. Okay, if I click here, I place it there, I copied it. You can go there to copy it. Okay, you copied it and you want to paste it in back of this shape. First you select the shape and you hide command B or go there to paste with command or control B, and you notice that you go to the back. Okay, this is this type we have used to set a black color in the back of the shape. Okay, let's go for the next types. Here we haven't a good types, so we have used a pencil tool and to create a shape. We have seen shift X to set color in the stroke. Okay, and create a, a shape like that, and we have created this shape. So maybe you have seen many types, and when I create those designs, don't I haven't talked about them here. You can send me your request about any tips you want about this video, and we'll explain you maybe with a video or maybe a direct chat to allow you best understanding of those creation. So let's go to the next.